Hi, welcome to Boat and Parts Marketplace.
In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to list or add a boat for sale, boat for rent, trailer for sale, and trailer for rent on the Boat and Parts Marketplace. To get started, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. If you're already logged in, simply click on the Dashboard button at the top right side of the screen to continue.
I'll click on the Login button. Here, I'll enter my account email address and password, then click on Sign In. After signing in, we're taken to the dashboard of the Boat and Parts Marketplace. If you click on the Dashboard button at the top right corner, you'll also be directed to this same dashboard.
Now, to add a boat for sale, boat for rent, trailer for sale, or trailer for rent.
Click on the first blue box, mentioned as List Your Boat, Yacht, Trailer.
This is the Add New Product page. From here, you can add a boat or trailer for sale or rent. First, enter the product name and select the appropriate category. There are three main categories: sailboat, powerboat, and trailer. In this example, I'll select sailboat because I want to add a sailboat. Once you select sailboat, you'll see three subcategories: sailboat for sale, sailboat for rent, and salvage sailboat for sale. I'll select both sailboat for sale and sailboat for rent because I want to rent the boat until it's sold. In your case, you can choose the subcategory that best describes your product. Next, add a detailed description of your boat to help customers understand what you're offering. To generate a description with AI, you must select the type and make of your product. Here, I select the type of my sailboat and the make of my sailboat. Once the type and make are selected, I click Generate with AI again. The system instantly creates a professional, detailed, and well-structured description. If you have any specific notes, upgrades, or additional information, simply add them to the description. When you click Generate with AI again, the AI will refine the content and include your notes in a clear and professional way. This helps ensure every listing looks polished, accurate, and ready to attract buyers. If you can't find your boat type, select Other. A new field will appear where you can enter your boat type manually. Once added, this boat type will appear on your product and will also be available in the drop-down list for future listings. The same process applies if you're listing a trailer and can't find the trailer type. In this example, I'll select monohull as the boat type. Next is make, which means the manufacturer of your boat. If you can't find your boat's make, select Other and enter a custom make. This custom make will also be added to the drop-down list for future use. I will select Hunter make for my boat. Now, enter the model name and year of your boat. Here I will select my boat engine type, diesel, gas, and electricity. I will select gas, then registration, I will select yes. Because I have my boat registration, then I will select my boat title to yes. Since I selected both sale and rental, I'll enter both the sale price and the rental price. The stock number field is for your personal use. You can use it to track your inventory or assign a short code to each product for easy reference. This field is optional, so you can choose to add it or leave it blank. Finally, add your city, state, and zip code. This helps customers easily find your boat using location filters such as city, state, or zip code. Now, we'll add images to the product. First, click on Choose Featured Image to upload the main image of your product. This will open your computer where you can find and select the image you want to use. Please make sure the image size is less than 8 megabytes and the file format is PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, or WEBP. Next, under Product Images, click on Choose Images to upload additional photos. You can upload up to 20 images of your product. This will again open your computer. To select multiple images, press and hold the CTRL key and click on each image you want to upload. All selected images will be uploaded to your product gallery. You can delete photos at any time before publishing your listing. You may upload up to 20 photos per listing. If you try to upload more than 20 photos, the system will automatically stop additional uploads. We recommend selecting your best and clearest photos to showcase the item properly. You can also upload video of your product by selecting Choose Video button and upload from your computer. Once everything looks good, click on the Publish Product button at the bottom right corner of the screen to complete your listing. Now you can see that your product has been added successfully under Product Management. However, if you look at the status, it is showing draft. This means your product is not currently visible to customers on the boat and parts marketplace. To make your product available to customers, click on the Activate button next to your product. After clicking Activate, a pop-up will appear. Here it is showing no available plans, which means you don't have any active listing plans yet. To purchase a listing plan, simply click on the blue Buy New Plan button. After clicking on Buy New Plan, this window will appear. From the drop-down, select the 6-month boat listing plan, which costs $195 for 6 months. On the right, you can see that a 100% discount has been applied, so the system calculates the final price as $0. Next, choose the number of boats you want to list under this subscription. For example, if you select 5 boats, the subtotal will show $195 times 5, which is $975, but the discount of $975 is applied, so the final price remains $0. Below that, you can see available discount codes in the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Complete Free Listing button at the bottom right to finish your setup and list your boats at no cost. Now we have purchased the 5-boat, 6-month listing plan. Next, I will click on the Activate button for my product. In this window, you can see that our plan has been added, showing the details 6-month boat listing with 5 boats remaining. I will click the Select Plan button. Now you can see that the product status is active. Let's go to the Boat and Parts Marketplace homepage. Here, I will select the Sailboat category. On the next window, I will choose Used Sailboat for Sale. Here, you can see our product, Sailboat 1, listed. Now, I will go back and select Sailboats for Rent. You can see this boat is also listed under Sailboats for Rent because I selected both for sale and for rent when listing the product.
You can find the other videos on our YouTube channel.